Hey guys, this is for the people that have a brown shirt. These are the items that you are going to need. You're going to need some gloves. If you do not have gloves, be extremely careful not to get bleach on your hands. You're going to need your brown shirt, and this is Clorox. Your Clorox is in a squeezable bottle. Leave it there. Leave it in its bottle. Do not take it out, okay? And here we go. Okay. Here we go. So I already did my tie-dye pattern, and if you guys notice, I didn't wet this one because it doesn't need to be wet, but you would need to rinse it out once you are finished pouring the Clorox on the shirt. So here we go. It's just as simple as this. So this is my second take on the bleach shirt. I first did the pattern that I showed you. It didn't have the pizzazz that I was looking for, so I ended up doing a spiral pattern, and I really love how it came out. I am definitely gonna be wearing this shirt during the summer. Just a couple tips: when you bleach your shirt, leave it out under the sun for 30 minutes to an hour. It just helps this the shirt lose its color, and it's gonna look great. I hope you guys have fun with this activity.